Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through how you can access the online JAMB CBT test to help you prepare for your exams. Okay, and if this is your first time on this channel, DTW Tutorials, an educational channel that supports students preparing for your WATS, NECO, GC, JAMB, Post-UME, Junior, WAEC, name it. We're here to support you with your education with free videos on maths and physics. So please, if it's your first time and you haven't subscribed yet, please try to click the subscribe button to support us, okay? And just to show us that you love what we're doing. And please try also to share this channel with your friends, family, your loved ones, your kids, your students. And if you have any comments, you have any questions for me, feel free to drop it in the comment section of this video. And also please do give this video a thumbs up, okay? And before I move further to the video, there are some videos that can help you in your forthcoming exams. Here is JAMB Physics 2017 40 questions solve and explain. Here is JAMB 2017 Maths past questions 40 questions solve and explain. Okay, so these are videos on the channel that can support you in your forthcoming JAMB 2019 exams. Okay, so how do we assess the JAMB CBT online test? All you need to do is go to the DTW Tutorials blog. Okay, that's why this blog is here to support you. The blog is quite blank, yes, but it's still fully loaded. There are downloads here. You can download your syllabus, videos, and all. But what we're looking at is your online test. So come to online test. Go to your JAMB. That's for WAEC, but for now we're focusing on JAMB here. So go to JAMB CBT test. We just have two subjects here, maths and physics. Maybe before the end of January we should populate other subjects. So all you need to do is click on maths. Let's say it's maths you want to practice on, okay? And here you have several years, 2017, 14, 15, 16 past questions, okay? So to practice, all you need to do is click. You know, when you are just on your phone and you are browsing, you don't know what to really do, you're on Instagram, Facebook, you can just, just come to this page, okay? This is the exam period now. Please, a little of social media. Now it's time to read, my brothers and sisters. It is time to read. Please, let us put seriousness in our forthcoming exams, okay? So all you need to do here is what? Click on the right option, okay, and just say next. Okay, so you just solve the question, find the range, click on the right option next, question 2 or 40. If you have a problem with the first question, you can go back, okay? And you can do this, you can time yourself instead of the normal 40 minutes or 50 minutes per question per subject. You can time yourself with your phone 30 minutes and try to see how many you can actually get. Okay, and you can continuously practice and practice and practice. It doesn't need you to log in, no email required, nothing, just easy. Practice, practice and practice. You finish and you just got only 5 or 10 out of 40. Don't be discouraged. Continuously practice, okay? Just continue with practicing and you would notice that your performance would increase. All right, so don't give up. You will get 5 or 10 questions right out of 40 the first time. Don't give up. Continue, okay? So this is how you can access this. So this is just for JAMB 2017. If you want to access the rest, all you need to do is what? This is physics for physics. Let me just show you how. Okay, this is for physics and we have like how many years here? 3 years here. It will also be updated with 2018 and also 2017, but you can start practicing with this, okay? So this is for physics 2016 and here you see your questions here, okay? So just tick and what submit and you would see the right options, and you're going to get it to be marked and you see where you're wrong and where you're right. All right, and also feel free if you have any questions on any of the online test, you can also drop a comment, okay? Leave a comment and I will reply you. All right, so thank you from DTW Tutorials. So we've come to the end of the video, okay? So I want you to maximize this opportunity and also please share to your friends, your friends on Facebook, Twitter, or WhatsApp. Share this post, share the online test to them, okay? Let them try it out. All right, so please, it's now that you have to start practicing. Please start reading right now. Be in the exam mode. drop social media. Okay, if you're on social media like almost 100% of the time, please drop it down to about 20%. All right, make sure whichever site you are going to at sites that would help you prepare for your forthcoming exams. All right, so thank you for staying tuned to today's video, and don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ. He is the way, the truth, and the life. You are destined to win. Bye.